I'm Tony over at Q's, and we have a brand new Elliott L50 here in stock. And one of the cool features about this truck is that it has auto level functionality, so that when you get to the job site, there's a button that you can press and it's going to auto level the truck for you, so you're not going back and forth with the outriggers a million times. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that feature. So if you have a brand new truck, you'll know how to use it if you're not sure how. Okay, so we're at the rear of our Elliott L50. The truck is up and running, the PTO is on. And we have a couple of touch pads in the back of the truck, and they're, outrigger specific. So this one here controls the front outrigger, and this one here controls the back. So right now, I'm going to lower the front outrigger, and I'm going to press this button. And when it goes green, we've got enough pressure on the outrigger. Here's the rear outrigger on the curb side. So I'm going to press this button, the outrigger is going to come down, and when it's green, I've got enough pressure on the outrigger. So what's going on is that there has to be enough pressure to tell a sensor in the outrigger that, hey, the outrigger's on the ground before you can use the auto level feature. Same with the street side over here. Here's our front outrigger. I'm going to set it down just so there's enough pressure on it. Okay, we're green, and the same with the rear outrigger. Okay, and we're green over here. So you can see that our bubble is off of the middle. It's way off kilter. Okay, so now I have enough pressure on all of my outriggers because they're highlighted with the green circle. And the auto level is blinking, so I'm going to press this and hold it in, and this is going to auto level the truck. And we're good. So we're at enough level that we can now fly the boom. And at the end of the day, when you want to store your outriggers, there's a auto stow feature as well. So you come over here, to the street side, hold this button in, it's right under the auto level, and there's a auto stow. So I'm gonna hold that in, and the outriggers will come up. And now I'm going to go around to the curb side and do the same thing. So that functionality right there really cuts down on the time it takes to set this truck up and pack it away at the end of the day when you're done working. And you're tired, you just press the button, suck up the outriggers, you're ready to head home, back to the office. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Or if you're looking for a new Elliott, give us a call. The number's at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, guys.